Good morning, guys. Happy e-learning week 1. All right, so this morning I logged into Nialise's account so we could take a look at it. Miss Stack's kiddos, it might look a little bit differently, but I'm going to tell everybody to do the same thing. So take a look at the screen with me. If you look, you notice that Miss Stack's journal entries came up on your recent activity. And if you keep going, you have math and science there. And Mr. Perret's art assignments are there. But for some reason, my journal entry didn't show up. So here's what I'm going to tell you to do. Go to the side, and Miss Stack's kiddos, it'll say Stack Homeroom ELA, My Homeroom, Major Homeroom. You're going to click on that. And then if you look, your journal entry's right here. So this morning, we're working on e-learning week 1. This is when you finally get to go into that Myon project, week 1 e-learning. There are no questions on Myon that you'll need to answer. All of your work today is going to be done on Edsby. So if you take a look, remember we're going to be working on text features. So text features, headings, titles, diagrams, all of that stuff, helping you understand those key tricky words and using those context clues around it. Can you find an example, a definition, things like that, and an informational text? So what are we working on? Well, by the end of this, guys, your main goal is that you should be able to understand this text and be able to explain to me how the life cycle of a pine tree begins and what is contributing or making that pine tree grow better. So your step 1, you're going to log into Myon. Step 2, you're going to find those week 1 e-learning projects. And it's already there. Remember, there's an assignment or a YouTube video before that shows you how to get to your Myon projects. And then you're only reading to page 7 today in that text. So when you're done with that, guys, if you go down on the side, you're going to notice that you have your exit tickets and everything else. So today you're going to be responding to exit ticket questions for Monday. And remember, it'll say, please only read 1 to 7, answer these incomplete sentences. So the first question, use information. On pages 6 and 7, what evidence does the author give you to explain how tiny brown seeds become a towering pine tree? Please make sure you use all that evidence that explains to you how it happens. And then your other question for today is, what does the word germinate mean on page 6? That's it, guys. Then after that, you need to read for 30 minutes out of a chapter book, or you need to find a just right book on Myon. Remember, if you pull a book out of Myon, I will be checking to see whether it's on your level or if you picked a way too easy book. So if you notice, I'm back to Nialise's homepage on Major Homeroom. Same thing, go back down to Unit 1, Week 1 e-learning. Today, you're going to be working on that independent reading. Same thing. So it says read for 30 minutes. It must be a literature text, no informational today, guys. Chapter books would be better. No chapter book, get on Myon and read for 30 minutes. Please make sure that you rate these incomplete sentences. So if you start that test, question 1, what do you love about what you're reading and why? What surprised you in your book, and what's your favorite part of the book so far? This doesn't mean that you should probably be finishing a book today. On Myon, you might. I don't know. I'm not you. But if you need me, send me a message on Edsby. Tell Mom to message me on Remind. If we need to have a quick FaceTime on Zoom, let me know and I will send you a link. All right, guys. Good luck. Happy learning.